Hey viewers, welcome back to the channel. So it took me a long time to record this video for no good reason other than I've been lazy. So this is probably the last video in the pool series for a while, and this is on the lights. So it's nighttime here in the forest, and you can see here are the pool lights off and going. So I've got them cycling through some colors. You can see there in the background the pool vacuum is going because the pool's dirty, and so it is working. Actually, I need to do a video on that sometime, but for now, pool lights. So here is what we got. If you recall, we put four lights, and you can see where they are, right? And how the color diffuses. The main purpose of this video is for any of you designing your pool. Here is what it actually looks like, what your lighting coverage looks like. And overall, I think we did a decent job of spreading the lights out. In hindsight, I would do more. So I would probably do another one up there on the other side of the diving board. I'd probably do another one here. You can see there's kind of a dead zone, right, of color. And then maybe, I don't know, maybe one under the bench. Like draw one on the backside of the bench or something. I don't know. Or put two here and space it. I don't know. And then maybe like one more over there. Like it could stand to have more lights. I thought four would be enough, and it is. It lights it up just fine, right? I mean, it's not like it's dark, but there are dead spots, but that's okay. You know, you just don't know. We tried to plan out best we can. If you recall from when we roughed all this in, our methodologies, and I think it turned out okay. So that is the lights. And there's all kinds of patterns that this thing does. This one's called Voodoo Lounge. Can you tell? Looks like a Voodoo Lounge. So let me walk over here to the equipment pad, because you could do this with a smartphone app, but I'm still having issues with that, with the networking on this thing. I think I talked about that, but if not, I'll do a separate video on that when it actually gets fixed. But let's go over here to the control panel. So, and basically I'll show you, we can do all kinds of patterns. So like this one, right? We can do, let's do USA. And you heard that click, the relays clicking on and off to turn the lights on and off and cycle them. So that is USA. So it's just going to cycle through red, white, and blue, solid colors, as you can see. All right. What are some other ones? We'll do like Twilight. Just different color patterns, all kinds of different color patterns that you can do presets, or you can do solid colors. So let's look for some solid colors here. And I'm kind of doing this live. I was showing you bricks. That doesn't help you. I think it's this. Yeah, so here's all the solid colors, the preset colors you can do. All right. So we can do about a pure white, which is different than a crisp white, I guess. But so here's like pure, if you just want white. That is what it looks like. Everything lit up. So that's about it for lighting. I think it turned out okay. I'm happy with it. I wish I did more lights, but I mean, I knew this was a possibility going into it just because we did kind of do it a little blind, and these things are not cheap. So it's fine. So my recommendation to you, future pool builder who may be watching this video, however many lights you think you need, add one or two more. You won't be disappointed. So that's all I got. Simple video, short video, but hopefully it kind of puts a bow on the pool project. Thank you all for coming along the journey with me. I really appreciate it. If you like the content that the channel's giving you, please consider liking, sharing, subscribing. It greatly helps out the channel and helps us continue to bring you all the content we're doing. And also, if you want to help out the channel, consider doing your shopping on Amazon. You can click the Amazon affiliate link in the show notes of any of the videos on the channel. That will take you to Amazon, and then you just do your shopping as normal. And anything you buy, the channel will get a kickback of that. It costs you no extra money, and it really helps us out, and I greatly appreciate it very much. So thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.